What's up, Derby freaks? We got some hump plates from XP Derby products we're going to put on the car. They're 2 inches too long. Took the plasma cutter here, cut them off nice and clean. Got the frame upside down. I clamp them on there with some Betsy clamps. Get everything tacked, weld the bottom first. I then flip the frame over and weld in the tops. All you guys in the welding police, just mind your own business. It'll hold, it'll do the job. That's all we really need. Take your time, nice and slow, get good penetration on the plate. Nothing to it, like butter. Let's go, baby.